Hi YouTuber, I'm taking this video to show you how to repair rattling shock on the 2008 Dodge Caravan. So when I driving the car, I just figured out there's a one rattling sound like this underneath. So in the beginning I checked all the suspension system and the steering system to see anything loose, but there's no luck. Didn't hear anything, but it still keep sound like that. Finally, I found this shit. It's called head shield. It's just right above the. This is sorry, it's too close. I have no space to put the caravan far. Okay, this is the cat of your exhaust system, and behind it is the housing of the spare tire. So it's a plastic one. So in between these, there's a head shield. It's an aluminum piece. Yeah, this is the exhaust pipe. Hopefully you can see it. So this is the cat. And furthermore, is I think it's just the engine. So because they got erosion, the screw already rotted out, so it cannot hold the head shield anymore. So it just keep go like this. So it feels like something crunky in the bottom. So all you need to do is repair the thread. Because what I use is a die. Give me 1 second. So you cannot put your die handle in. So this is the die. Yeah, it's a 1024, but because this space over here, it's go underneath the level, so you cannot put your die stock. Use your handle. So in this case, this is you can use hand to turn a little bit, to turn a few turns, because the outside diameter is 1 inch. So you can use a socket, a 1 inch socket, to turn it. I'll just have it done, okay? But I can show you. Yeah, you repair the rusted screw. Don't break it. If you break it, you have to make another one, or you just screw it right onto this body here. I don't know what's inside there. I don't want to screw there. So make sure you turn by turn use a socket, okay? Let me show you the socket. Yeah, it just see, use a 1 inch socket. Yeah, to very gently to repair the thread. It's a 1024, NC, which is a coarse. So repair, and you can easily to put the washer underneath and then to put it back into the place. Okay, just show this thing, and then hopefully this helps somebody. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.